NVIDIA's new fix may
All right. So, real quick, um, just so we can do this stream, show you guys I didn't quit on you. I got a job and I've been working. So, um, I finished building my Linux PC. So let's recap. No, let's not recap. Recap from my last session, right? Um, let's do the the whole second monitor thing. Yeah. Now let's switch it to this setup. All right. So real quick, I did distro watch. There, it's posted on my Twitch channel. If you're not on the video, is not on YouTube. I forgot to connect the stream to YouTube, so you're not going to see the video on YouTube. So if you want to see the first part, I do not physically build the PC. I basically just install the OS. I made a lot of goofs, including spelling my handle wrong. Embarrassing. So, yeah, there's that part. And I then screwed up even more by misspelling some commands when I was partitioning the machine. See, again, too late. You shouldn't do this stuff late. I made a mistake misspelling the NVMe drive that I was partitioning, as well as made some mistakes where I had to nano and change the UUID. I made a lot of goofs. All right, lots of goofs. Big goofs. So many goofs. And I just decided to basically start over, right? So I started over and I fixed it in so many words, right? I fixed it. So I installed CachyOS, right? Yeah, that is not CachyOS. Sorry about that. Yeah, so I went to DistroWatch, went to CachyOS.org, right? And downloaded the ISO. I had already pre-downloaded the ISO, but yeah, it was already there. So, you know, no biggie on that one. What else? Yeah, so I, you know, long story short, built my machine and installed the OS. So let's do this, right? Let's go ahead and log in, right? And see what's going on here. Oh no, let's not get this started again. So my capture card has decided to act up. Thanks, capture card. All right. I wonder if I have it. Is it connected? Again, I'm doing this late at night. I need to start streaming earlier in the day, but again, I got a job now, so I can't stream during the day. Let's try to reboot this puppy and see if that gets us anywhere. Because the capture card seems to not be capturing it, and that's a no bueno. All right. So give me 1 second. And I don't know why it does that. I will see if we can get this working properly. Yeah? All right. Maybe I should have did the capturing and streaming off my my Linux laptop, because all right, let's go ahead and try that again. Yeah, we're going to try that again. All right, let's see. Hold on. Oh, it's trying. It's trying. All right. You know what? I'm just gonna go ahead and do the reboot, and hopefully that gets the glitches out. All right, that was not a clean shutdown, but hey, don't judge me. All right, so there we go. We've got it asking for my password for the encryption. see if I remember the password. Okay. Man, I don't remember it taking that long. Okay, so that wasn't the right password. Let's try again. There we go. And just like last night, was it the night before last? See, the days are running together. Let's show you guys what I'm working with over here, right? Get the Elgato up. There we go. All right, yeah. So, like I was saying, got the Grub bootloader installed. I went with Grub, and that's how we have our OS launching. Now, do I really need a bootloader? Yes, I guess, sort of, kind of. There's only one OS that's going to be on this machine. It's going to be Linux, always Linux. Might be a different distro, but long story short, got the OS installed, again, Steam installed, and looks like we got, yeah, we got it up and running here. So I am going to type in my password, right? Oh no, please stop. Oh no, please stop. This is not okay. I don't like this. Ah, there we go. Oh, sorta, kinda. Oh, this is... I don't like this. This did not happen last night. Oh, the refresh is terrible. Oh, come on. I don't know why it's doing this with the refresh. Well, I will see if I can get it to stabilize real quick. You know what? I'm going to get an HDMI cable, and I'm going to connect it to another monitor. That's what I'm going to do. Oh, and before I do that, I'll be right back. Reload. Let me hit this med kit. Oh! Oh! Ooh! 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 Oh, not the mortar guy. There's a mortar guy over here now. Mortar guy, this is my spot. Go away. Boop. Boop! Oh my god, 2 for 1. Okay, so, I think we got it. Nope, we don't got it. Oh, this Elgato capture card is giving me fits. And I'm about done with it. Let's see here. We can change. Oh, I know why the issue. Maybe it's the refresh rate? No? Alright, let's try to 60 hertz. It should be. Yeah, that's what it is. Should be 60 hertz. There it is. That's what it is. Or that's what it was, I should say. That's what it was. Alright, so apparently I had it set to 60 hertz, or it was capturing at 60 hertz. I don't know why it was capturing at 60 hertz. I mean, it's rated for 120 at 1440. That's strange. All right, so I'm going to disconnect now the display port. And it's back to giving me fits again. I don't understand why it does that. It shouldn't. All right, this is affecting my my balance here. I don't know. I'm having a hard time looking at this in staying sane. All right, I might have to hook the DisplayPort back up. Oh, this sucks. All right. All right, I'm hooking the DisplayPort back up. This is painful. All right, I know the issue is really just the refresh rate at this point. All right. So, I think that's what I'm gonna have to. Oh, come on, Mike. Now my mic is giving me problems. All right. Yeah, I gotta figure out the refresh rate here because, this sucks. I really thought I had it. I really thought I had it. Oh, man. All right, I gotta figure out what the refresh rate issue is here. Disable. All right, disable variable refresh rate. See if that helps. No. It doesn't like it with the variable refresh rate. Disable. And you know what? It might be the stream settings. Let me check out my stream settings here. Output, bitrate 192, video encoder, software, hardware. Go to preset, balance. Oh man. I think that might be it. Is that it? Just changing the video encoder to hardware? And that was it? Shut the front door. If that was it. All right, should I try disconnecting the DisplayPort again? I'm going to try disconnecting the DisplayPort again. And if that works, hold on. And as soon as I got up, this is wonky. And what's odd is that you guys actually aren't even seeing me fooling around with the display settings here on stream. Like, you're not seeing any of that. Wowzers. All right, let me try to finagle with the stream settings again. Output, video bitrate. Bump that up to 7,000. Does that help? Nope. The minute the mouse moves, problems. So I'm trying to figure out, how would I even be able to stream games to you guys if I can't capture decent frame rates? This blows. But this was not doing this last night. Honestly, after I finished my install, this is crazy. I don't know. I don't know why this should not be an issue. It really shouldn't. I don't understand why it's giving this crazy amount of screen flicker. Let's try the refresh rate again. See if that solves the problem. No. Let's see. No. Wait a second. I just changed. I just changed it to 4K. And it's stabilized. This is crazy. All right. Bet. Now, I wonder if I disconnect. I wonder if I disconnect the display port, if I start having issues that way. I don't know. Let's see. I'm gonna disconnect the display port. The display port isn't even the source. It's HDMI. I'm wondering if it's the cable at this point. Use a different HDMI cable, maybe? I am so perplexed. Oh. I am truly perplexed. All right, let me go get a different HDMI cable. I'll be right back. I'm back. We're going to try this one more time. One more time? One more time. All right. So what we got here is our El Gato, right? And I actually hooked it up the way it was supposed to be. In and out. Right? Into the capture card, out to a monitor. Initially, it was just into the capture card to my PC. I didn't have it connected to a monitor. So we're going to see if that settles down the refresh rate a bit. And we're going to try this one more again. All right. And El Gato. Now, how are we doing over here? Looks like we're moving right. Looks like we're moving right. I don't know. And now the Twitch stream is frozen. No, that was just me. I goofed. All right. All right. So let's see if we can launch a game. All right. Where's my controller? We're gonna try and pair the controller. All right. Let's see. Cosmic settings, Bluetooth on. All right. It's trolling my Galaxy Watch. Bluetooth pairing mode. All right. DualSense wireless controller. All right. Now, come on now. You were there. Oh. Connected. Oh, that's what's up. All right. So we got the controller connected. I think, let me get the headphones on. I think I should get audio pretty straight through on this thing. Should be captured on the PC here. So 1 second. We're gonna close this. We're gonna launch Street Fighter. Oh, fudge and bananas. Okay. All right, let's do this. All right. Cool. I'm not gonna let you guys see my other passwords here. So 1 second. Okay, we're back. Let's try and refresh here. Come on. Store. There we go. All right. So let's try to launch Street Fighter again. Update required. Okay. You need to update. How long is this update going to take on my Wi-Fi? 91.2 gigs. Let's try something else. Mass Effect 2. Let's see if this works on Steam, yeah? Oh, fudge and bananas. Is there an EA app for Linux? It's all wine? And they're whining and dining? Okay. Okay, if wine works, it works. I'm not. So a whole bunch of activity in the taskbar there. Use Authenticator app. All right. And once again, I'm going to do that off screen. Authenticator app, Ubisoft, Electronic Arts. There we go. All right. So, and waiting for the code to change because it was really close. Okay, there we go. Okay, got my first error here. It says your hardware appears to be unsupported. The game will continue, but you may experience reduced performance or instability. Okay. Well, you know, I could go into my library, right? Like, all right, let's try again because it looks like Mass Effect does not work. Let's see, Final Fantasy 13 or 15. Let's try 15 on Windows, yeah? Now, I know this works on the Steam Deck. This should work just fine, yeah? Ooh. Yeah. Uh-oh. Can I get some volume? Victory! Victory! Alright. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Oh, okay. Why isn't it working with the controller? Display. let's quit the game first, and I'm gonna do this. Uh-oh, did Cosmic just crash? Cosmic just crashed. No, Cosmic didn't crash. Okay, display. Let's drop this back down. Weird. Oh, you know what? I think it might be my Elgato capture card that is throwing things off here. Yeah, it's the capture card throwing things off here. All right. Well, again, this is a new setup, so I am trying something new here. We got Final Fantasy 15 to launch. I'm not sure why all of a sudden my desktop wants to not show 1440. Right? Automatic scale. No, let's go back to 100%. Yeah, that's a little too much. Well, let's try this again. Let's do something else here. No, we're not shutting down. We're going to restart. Nah, I promise I wouldn't be on too late. What time is it? Yeah, it is an hour past my bedtime. It's 11:59 East Coast time. And yeah. The Elgato capture card is giving me fits. All right. All right. I'm gonna be honest. I might go Bazite. I might go Bazite only for the packages kind of a thing and my familiarity with Fedora / Red Hat. You guys hear my dog snoring? All right, see? Yeah, it's the capture card. Yeah, the capture card is wonky. So I got to figure out a way to capture because my capture card is acting a fool. All right, I'm going to try and change the setting one more time. I'm going to switch the cables yet again. This time I'm going to go DisplayPort into HDMI. No, no, I shouldn't do that. What should I do? HDMI to HDMI. Do this one more time. One more time. One more time. Disconnect that. Disconnect this. And this. And disconnect this. You over here. You over here. You want to try you there. I'm going to put you here. Oh, one other thing. I got to reconnect the display port to my other PC, back to this monitor. So that way I can see what I'm doing. And yes, switch source back. What are we doing over here? All right, so I don't know what is going on. Keep changes. I don't know, guys. All right, let me try the Elgato source again. Nope. That's right. That's right. The recording directory is correct. I don't know. I don't know. All right, so just in case you guys were wondering what I was doing, I was finagling with the settings of my Elgato 4K Pro and trying to figure out if it was the resolution here that was giving me fits. So, all right, this is what I'm going to do. I'm going to close that. All right, leave that open. But I'm going to operate over here through the stream and see if I can just use the capture coming off of that. Just regular degular, as the kids say. Keep changes. And it's not changing or anything. Alright, we're gonna restart one more time. because I am catching a bunch of L's. Bunch of L's. Right. That's taking a good minute. Well, we got Final Fantasy 15 to launch, and that was cool. I wonder if any of the other Far Cries will work. Oh, you know what? Let's do a quick search on that, yeah? Let's see if that works. Far Cry 3 is regarded as the best performing entry in the series on SteamOS. Okay. 5 is fully playable. I have 5. Might have to start catching up on the Far Cry series through 5. The Ubisoft Connect launcher. Oh, God. You got to download a launcher for a launcher. All right. Okay. Okay. How about this? Final Fantasy. Games compatible on SteamOS. Remake verified to run. Hey, you know, Steam has a verified on Linux kind of a thing. I don't even know why I'm Steam powered, right? Yeah, Steam powered. And I believe free to play, view all tags, and Control F. Linux. No. Where is it on? That's not what I want. Steam Power verify runs on links. Here we go. Okay, which games are currently supported? Here we go. All right, open that tab. SteamOS Linux. Single player games. That's cool. That's cool. Genres, type controller, language. No, genres. Point click shooters. Gary's Mind, Easy Red, Bioshock Infinite. Okay. Half-Life 2, Saints Row, Counter-Strike Source. Okay. Show me some more. Black Mesa. Oh, Metro 2033. Okay. Anything else? Oh, Tomb Raider. That's right. I got a bunch of Tomb Raider games. All right. What did MMORPGs? Battle Cry. That's it. That's all we doing. Okay. All right. I will. Open world games. None found. Wonder why. Local co-op. No? Oh, my filters are low too. Yeah, I had too many filters on. Okay. Where was I with the MMORPGs? Any racing games? Or the Rally? Dirt. No dirt games? No. Drift Legends. Nope. Oh, man. Okay. Well, let's do this. Let's get back to that. And log in there. All right. If this modification or this reboot doesn't help with the screen refresh rate and all that jazz for the night, I'm calling it a night, I should say. And yeah, going to my bed. Going to my bed. All right. And take that off screen for you guys. All right, and bring that back on screen for you guys. All right, let's see. Close that. Go back to the display settings, and it is still showing 2160. Well, I changed the cable. It looks like it was the cable that was giving me fits. I don't understand why that was. Maybe it's not a properly rated cable for HDMI. You know, so. Okay, so see if I could drop the res down. I don't like that. I don't like that one bit. Let's see. Yeah, the canvas is totally off. I gotta figure out how I screwed up the resolutions here, because I don't understand how and why. Oh, well, here's another reason. Ugh. That was stupid. Okay. All right. So we got Final Fantasy X to launch. I wonder if The Witcher launch is okay. Well, let's try Tomb Raider, yeah? And since we have the Steam situation going on, where are we at with my download on that? Oh, come on. Really? I can't right now. I just can't. Anyway, all right. Well, we know it works from at least launching the Steam app, and we're good from that. You know, I don't know what else to do here other than let this download another day. I was trying to have the downloads finished, but I guess it decided to hibernate. I guess I should change that so that it does not hibernate, right? Yeah. So, 75%, 77%. Okay, hold on. I might stick around. Might stick around. My Wi-Fi is hopping tonight. Okay. 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 Oh, you know what else? I should switch it to an Ethernet. All right. Ethernet, yeah? How we doing now? Oh, wait. We done with the Tomb Raider? Okay, bet. Well, since we're done with Tomb Raider, let's see if it launches. See if we can get Tomb Raider to launch. Right. All right. Tomb Raider hasn't launched. What's going on? Hello, Tomb Raider? Tomb Raider? Why haven't you launched, Tomb Raider? Let's see. Oh, it's not launching? All right, verified on deck. These are the games that are verified on deck. Cyberpunk. Oh, okay. All right. Detroit Become Human. Ooh. Let's do it. Let's do it. Let's see if it launches. Uh-oh. No, don't do that to me. Oh, don't do that to me. Don't do that to me. Let's see if we can correct this right quick. Does that help? Nope. You know, all the flickering just bothers me a bit. Not a lot, just a bit. Do I even want this to continue loading at this point? we're going to see here. We're just waiting on this thing to.
I haven't seen you for a while. It's good to have you back.
It's good to have you back.
It's a little creepy, but okay. So I did launch this game before on Windows. I guess it's the Linux. It's the Linux. Let's call it not Linux, but Cloud Save. Cloud Save. Okay. All right. Let's see here.
This is the options section. You can customize your experience here.
Come on. I mean, I guess I might get the best frame rates out of 1920, 1080. Resolution scale, frame limit. Off. I mean, I'm going to be limited to 60 frames because the monitor is acting the fool. I think it can only capture my capture card. No, it can capture at 1440p at 120, but no HDR. What did I have the difficulty set as? Casual.
Your parameters have been saved.
I'm gonna go back to my desktop. All right. So Detroit Becoming Human is good. What else? Come on. No, you don't want to? Pin the app tray. Fine. Pin the app tray then. Pin the app tray. Doom. Well, I know Doom will run. That's like given. Let's see. Is it verified on deck? Yeah, see? Doom. So Hitman 2, Horizon Zero Dawn. All right. What is installed locally? Hitman, Horizon Zero Dawn, Max Paint. See, I want to see if this plays because this is actually what I want to play. On Linux. For show. And we're verifying. Oh, Street Fighter's done downloading. Oh, this Rockstar Game Launcher bullcrap. Okay, English. Continue. Yes, I accept. Okay, I hope wine covers that. Okay. If this plays and I can get Red Dead Redemption to play, can I get Red Dead Redemption to play? All right, it's past my bedtime. I do need to go. Oh, yes. Oh, yes. Oh. Oh no. It's not recognizing my mouse. Not recognizing my keyboard either. Oh, this sucks. Will it recognize the controller? Hold on. Bluetooth settings. It didn't. Come on, man. All right. Let's see if it recognizes the controller. Nope. Doesn't recognize the controller either. All right. So Max Payne, no go. All right. Max Payne's a no go. What just finished? Street Fighter. Let's see if Street Fighter 6 will install. I mean, not install, run. If not, that'll be an easy uninstall real quick. That's 90 gigs. That's a few games I could probably install that run. All right, it's launching at least. All right. Windows play mode. Okay. All right. You know what? Let's do this. There we go. All right, I got the DualSense controller. All right. Let's see if it works. Let's see if it works. It's taking forever. All right. Get some water. Be right back. Still compiling shaders, are we? All right.
Fighter 6.
Ooh. Push the button, it worked. Let's see.
Street Fighter 6. Fighter 6.
All right, let's go. Come on, man. See if I can get one in.
Well, it looks like we meet again. Ah, so that's your vibe, is it? I like it. I like it. Got it. Not in a bad way, of course. In an amazing way. So, this is where I usually say you can go wherever and do whatever, but I'm sure you're going to have a lot of questions. Try accessing the various points around here. Each one has a handy little instruction pop-up, so don't be nervous. Now, go explore and have some fun.
Greetings! I'm just your everyday mysterious ingenious hacker girl. And this is our server, SimSim. I usually love fighting against other people, but sometimes I'm just not in the mood for it. Do you ever get like that?
Gotta be in the mood to squabble.
You know what I'm talking about, right? It happens to every... So that's why I decided to whip something up just for those situations. I call it the Virtual Rival. Come on, give me a little bit of praise here. I worked hard on it. I won't get into the nitty-gritty of it because it's super nerdy. And create a virtual opponent for you. That misses a person nicely. Step right up then. Give it a whirl.
We got artillery tucked there, Cartier bust there. She said it's yeah. I said yeah. You just get up. We already up there. You say it's up, man. It's already up there.
Ooh, gun in hand, I'm surgical. surgical, no training. They let shoot 'em movie. Choppers bang on you, don't dance. I make your shoulders little Uzi. Wanna rock the trap house line? Got what you need is do a booty. Got more dog than up, you man. We selling pits, come get a student. More than a whole excuse. Money and clout don't want me.
Fighting ground. Fighting ground. Practice. Practice. Verse online. Verse online. Versus. Versus online. Versus. Practice. Versus. Practice. Versus. Practice. Training. Training. Thunderfoot settlement.
Gotta make my own highlights. It's time to heat up for the fight of my life. Show 'em what I got, cause you know that it's my time. Brought till I fall, boy. Give it my all, boy. Got me feeling like I can fight 'em all, boy. The time has come, the bell is rung. No weekends here, you know that I'm a star, boy. My blood, sweat, and tears. I've been struggling for years. I'm saying I'm one of a kind and they ain't built up like me. Vision myself a champion, one day I might be. Proud of what I see from the man in the mirror. A real free. Everybody know that I always keep it real. I fall down, I get up, I keep pushing still. They recognize I'm a champion. I did it all, you know what they say can't be real. Always gonna flag high, and I will stay free till the end. We got artillery tucked there, Cartier bust there. She said it's yeah. I said yeah. You just get up, we already up there. You say it's up, man. Up there.
Ooh, gun in hand, I'm surgical, no training. They let shoot 'em training. Choppers bang on you, don't dance. I make your shoulders little Uzi. Wanna rock the trap house line? Got what you need is do a booty. Got more dog than up, you man. Selling pits, come get a student. Half of these is groupies. So in the home, money and clout don't move me. I ain't no kid. You ain't the one to shoot me. You already getting up, you in the gym improving. My young improved it. Cartier lens, 2000 a leg. I wear on my face. Don't know I'm from the Unit every game and teach to this day. Getting wild, the love you call me, all on your nuts. It's in your face. Money behind that, but I say ready before every meal.
We got artillery tucked there, Cartier bust there. She said it's yeah. I said yeah. Get up, you already up there. You say it's up, man. You already up. We got artillery tucked there, Cartier bust there. She said it's yeah. I said yeah. Just get up, already up there. You say it's up, man. You already up. Couple of my niggas, just 'cause they was late. You know what we did, us being like microwave potatoes. You know, Pedro, what you would do for a buck or a three for a buck.
Okay, it worked. It worked. It worked. All right. Listen, I'm no yeah.
Street Fighter 6. Street Fighter 6.
This is what's up. Street Fighter 6 works. I'm digging it. Oh, and I didn't mean to. Desktop. Yes, there we go. All right. Well, we proved that Street Fighter 6 works. That's what's up. Final Fantasy 15 works, right? Let's just launch it again for goodness sakes. We know Hitman works according to Steam. That's verified on deck, right? Alright, let's see if we get the... I didn't check it with the controller. I used the keyboard, and the resolution was way off. So I don't know. I'll How's that looking on stream? That looks nice. That looks mad nice. Controller's not working. So I shouldn't have hit that Twitch Prime foolishness. Alright. I'm gonna try and play it, but not today. Not today. Not today. Another day. Another day. That is going to be it. I am calling it a night. I got it installed. I got a couple of games installed. I got some of it working, and unfortunately I did this again late at night, but anywho, y'all have a good night. Maybe this weekend I'll play some Final Fantasy on Linux and stream. Y'all have a good one.